Looks like something is broken with your Powerbeats Pro 2. Here's a full troubleshooting guide to fix every problem with the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2. If for some reason the Powerbeats Pro 2 doesn't automatically pair with your phone or one of the earbuds aren't working, then here's how to factory reset the earbuds. If you've already done so, do it while following the video, and then it might magically work. The good old turn it off and on again, but this time with tech support on the line. Make sure both earbuds are sitting securely in the case. Press and hold the system button on the inside of the case for 15 seconds. Release the button when the lights on the front of the case flash red and white. There will be a chime 5 seconds in. You can ignore this. After the light flashes red and white, the chime will start again. Watch as automatic pairing magically works now. Or not. Fine, let's manually pair instead. To manually pair the Powerbeats to your phone on Android, open the Bluetooth settings. Open the lid with the earbud seated in the case. Hold near your unlocked phone. It doesn't have to be too close. Then press and hold the system button for 5 seconds until you hear a chime. The Powerbeats Pro 2 should now show up for automatic pairing. Or you should be able to find the Powerbeats Pro 2 in the list of available devices. For iPhone users, it's the same procedure. Open the case next to the iPhone. If the Powerbeats don't automatically show up, hold and press the system button in the case for 5 seconds until you hear the chime. If there's only one earbud showing up or creating sound, it's possible that it needs a charge. Make sure to keep that earbud in the case for a few minutes for it to have a charge. But before you put them into the case, try to make sure that the charging pins on both the case and the earbuds are clear of obstructions. To clean the pins, take out the earbuds and wipe the pins down. You might find that the Powerbeats Pro 2 might not sound the best. This could just be an issue with how they fit into your ears. Yes, it's terribly Apple that I'm mentioning you might be wearing them incorrectly, but it genuinely is one of the biggest causes of horrible sounding earbuds. First, tuck the ear hook behind your ear, then insert the earbud. If necessary, rotate it back and forth slightly to achieve a stable fit with optimal comfort. If you're having issues finding a position, it might be that the pre-installed ear tips don't fit. No worries, replacing them is easy and Beats provides 5 sizes. Pull out the currently installed ear tips by holding it by the base and pulling it out. Our recommendation is to go up one size at a time. You can ensure you have a proper fit in the device settings on iOS. If you have Android, the same test is available through the Beats app. If even after a good seal the earbuds sound horrible, take a look at the earbuds just in case they need to be cleaned. Take out the ear tips just like earlier, but this time take a look at the nozzle and clean any debris that may be in there. You can use a Q-tip or cloth, just don't use regular tissue paper as they can and will leave fibers in the nozzle instead of cleaning it. With a good fit, the Powerbeats Pro 2 should sound better. However, if you're having issues with the microphone, the Powerbeats Pro 2 uses a microphone on a single side, automatically swapping between left and right mics. Here's how to change the microphone settings. On Android in the Beats app, scroll down to Microphone, tap on Automatic and select the Always Left bud first. Use your preferred app for recording to test. If it still doesn't work, repeat the same steps with the Always Right bud option selected. On iPhone, go into the Settings app, select the Powerbeats Pro, scroll down to Microphone, tap on Automatic and select the Always Left bud first. Use your preferred app for recording to test. If it still doesn't work, repeat the same steps with the Always Right bud option selected. If you're having issues with the new heartbeat sensor on the Powerbeats Pro 2, first ensure that the sensor and your ears are clean. Next, make sure you have a proper fit. On iPhone, if you don't see your heart rate data on your workout app, move to the Health app, go to the Sharing tab, tap Apps, look for your Workouts app, and then enable heart rate. Here's how you can turn off the automatic ear detection if you're having issues with the feature pausing constantly. On Android, open the Beats app, select your device, scroll down to automatic ear detection. You can then turn off the feature. On iPhone, the same setting is on the regular Settings app. Tap on the Powerbeats Pro 2, scroll to Automatic Ear Detection, and tap the switch to disable or enable it. To use the Share Audio feature, wear your Beats with them connected to your iPhone or iPad. On the Now Playing screen, tap on the Playback Destination button, which is to the right of the playback controls. This should closely resemble the Powerbeats Pro or your current headphones. Tap the Share Audio setting, open your friend's AirPods or Beats product. You may have to enter into pairing mode. Your friend's AirPods or Beats earbuds should show up on the screen. Select Share Audio and follow the on-screen instructions for your device. If you've paired to the incorrect AirPods or Beats device for audio share, here's how to disconnect an AirPod from audio share. Back on the Now Playing screen, tap on the Playback Destination button to the right of the playback controls. To disconnect audio share, tap on your friend's or the incorrect pair of earbuds to uncheck or disconnect the device. If you've reached this point, you've tried everything but your problems aren't solved. Then you'll want to reach out to Apple support and have them repaired. When they ask you for the serial number, here's how you can find the serial serial number of the Beats Powerbeats Pro 2. If you're still able to connect to the earbuds, the serial number will show up in the settings menu. Failing that, there's going to be the documentation from the box that you definitely didn't throw away yet, right? Right? Don't worry, it's also inside of the charging case. It's at the top of the lid, barely visible. It's at the end section of the text. If you're up and running, that's awesome. Make sure to give us a like for helping you out, and happy listening.